What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today, man, we got a lot to talk about today. But before we get into today's video, I would like for y'all to smash that like button and smash the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. But today was a crazy day. Okay, today was a crazy day. As y'all see by the thumbnail, y'all see by the title of the video, today was very hectic. Comment down below and let me know, how did you do on the Nike Dunk, the Union releases? Okay, so let me know how y'all do on that. For me, I'm gonna put it out there, I took an L. Okay, I took an L. I had a 18-minute queue, which is kind of crazy to me because what's that meme said, I met all the criteria but I wasn't picked. So that's what happened with me, y'all. So hey, I took an L, but hey, man, I'm so used to taking those L's, so it's on to the next shoe. But before we go move on to another shoe, today's video, I just want to let y'all know we have a second chance. Okay, second chance is coming April the 7th, which is what, next Thursday. Okay, next Thursday, the Nike Snkrs app is dropping the blue colorway, the Argon colorway. Okay, so be ready. Now, before I get into my unboxing that I also have here today, guys, I want to let y'all know I'm goated on the Snkrs app. I have 2 videos up about the Snkrs app. It helped multiple people, thousands of people I helped. But if you guys want to know exactly how to cop these right here, next Thursday, I need 50 likes. Give me 50 likes or more, and I will come back with another video, detail everything on how to cop these. Okay, because I know a lot of people took L today, because I'm looking online and I'm seeing it. Some people had hour wait, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 20. If you had more than 5 minutes, I feel like a lot of people took L's. But it was heavily botted and it was early links out there. So we ain't tripping. Union ain't trying to fix nothing about that. So our best chance right now, guys, Nike Snkrs app. And I want to help. I'm gonna help y'all, but I need 50 likes. And comment down below and let me know, how did you do today? How did you do? Let me know how y'all do. Did you take a W? Comment down W. Took an L? Comment down L and let me know, man, because y'all both too. So we're gonna chop it up about it. Also, let me know, what was your wait time, and did you take an L or a W also? Because I'm real curious to know, because I see people who, I don't know, it's real confusing. I don't know, I'm not sure. Do they go by like random, or is like a first come first serve type basis, like where if I'm in the queue, if I made it past the question and the capture before that person, do I get ahead of that person in the queue? Do I have a shorter wait time, or is it randomized? I'm not sure, because I see people out here who got in the queue after me and got lesser wait time. So I'm not sure about that. Y'all let me know. But today, main topic of this video, because the Argon colorway, we're gonna have a separate video. If I get 50 likes, we're gonna do a video for that, how to cop. I'm gonna give y'all everything I need to know. Snkrs app, we golden on that. But speaking of the Nike app, we got a W, man. We got a W, and I cannot believe it, because this shoe has been running away from me for about a year plus, and this shoe done released about 10 times or more since then, and I finally got a W. And like I told y'all see my previous videos, last few videos I've been doing, it's been nothing. I ain't gonna, hold on, I can't say it. I can't say, I'm gonna do the unboxing. Let's do the unboxing. Let's get to it. Too much talking, let's get to it. All right, y'all, so we had to cut the video right quick to get the thumbnail real quick before I open this box. So let's get to it. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Also, man, shout out to Nike for these new boxes, man. No more just do it tape and the Nike swoosh on it. Y'all go already know what it is. If y'all didn't skip the video, hopefully y'all didn't. Watch the video all the way through, y'all. But y'all see the box. Told y'all, I've been hitting. Now, Nike Dunk Low, okay? Personal size 9. I ain't gonna tell the colorway yet, because it's gonna give it away. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let's open it up. I'm gonna let y'all see it first, man. I can't believe I got these for the personal, y'all. Finally in the collection. Ooh! Let me know what y'all think. Smash the like button right now. Smash that like button, y'all. Smash that like button for your boy, because we need 50 likes. Once we get 50 likes, I'm gonna tell y'all how to cop on the Snkrs app for those unions. So, finally, bro. Finally, man. Your boy got him. I can't believe it. I was shocked when I got that W on the Nike app, y'all. Shout out to the Nike app. Man, my second account has been so clutch and golden. Like, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. I literally got, like, I don't have that phone with me right now, but I literally hit back to back on dunks, y'all. Like, I hit a team red, court purple, Midas dunk, and now I got these, yo. I got these finally in the collection. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like, oh my God. Man, I wanted these sneakers so bad. But I told myself I would not pay resale for them. These definitely ain't finna pay no $200 plus on $300 for them. And patience is really key, y'all. Patience is key when it comes to the sneaker game, y'all. Patience, y'all. This would not be a full review or nothing like that, because I'm pretty sure if you done seen this shoe before, you done seen it plenty of times out here on YouTube. Your favorite sneaker YouTuber got 10 million pairs of these, done flipped it, sold it, got it back again. But let's give y'all a quick look at it, man. I'm proud and I'm happy to finally have these, and these will be getting a lot of wear. These are going straight to the toe. Straight to the toe, okay? So, man, look, quick little look at it. Nike Dunk Pandas, y'all. Panda Dunk Low. Finally. And also, if you took an L on these, y'all, don't worry. Don't go out there paying resale for them. These will restock every 2 months on the Nike app, from what I'm hearing. So the next time these will release, it will be in May. Okay? If don't hold me to that, but from what I'm hearing, it's supposed to be releasing every 2 months. These will be everywhere. Okay? So shout out to Nike for these, man. I can't wait to rock. I got a fit already for these, y'all. I got a fit for them already. Comment, follow me on Instagram also. I'm about to get real active back on there, but man, these are nice. These are nice, y'all. Let's see when they were made. Let's see if these are like new or whatever. 9/13/21, 09/24/21. So they were made last year. A lot of shoes that's coming from Nike, y'all, the bottom has been real dirty. I don't know what's going on with it, Nike. But yeah, man. So finally got the Panda Dunks in the collection. I'm happy. I'm thankful. Yeah. So next time these coming out, y'all, good luck on them. Hopefully you guys can cop. Now the box read white, black, white. Okay. Personal size 9. I'm pretty sure y'all already know this. Y'all seen this plenty of time. So I just want to show y'all, just in case, you know, y'all want to see it. But that's it, man, for today's video. And before I go, I want to say thank y'all so much for rocking with your boy. Continue to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, because I'm dropping a lot of heat. Give me 50 likes on this video, and I will definitely come back and let y'all know before Thursday how to cop those Nike Dunk Union Lows, okay, on the Snkrs app, because it's going down Thursday, and a lot of y'all gonna get W's. The ones who took L's on the website, don't even trip about that. Don't worry about that. Y'all gonna get W's, okay? And y'all might get the shoe before folks who hit on the website. So, hey, thank y'all for tuning in today's video, man. Also, I got another dope review coming up at On Feet. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but it's coming real soon. So stay tuned for that one. And I appreciate y'all so much for rocking with me. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. And till the next time, man, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And we out. Peace.